In injection molding, ejector pins get complicated fast. They add machining, add failure points, and add time to your mold build. So we asked a simple question. What if we just picked the part? Automation that removes parts by grabbing the sprue from the back side of the mold. No ejector pins required. That means lower tooling cost, simpler mold design, fewer failure points, while keeping the same cycle time. Introducing the APSX-PKR Part Picker, built for APSX-PIM v3 and v2 users. It's 100% electric, separately controlled, and designed to be easy to program. Pick the part, not push it out. For suitable geometries, you can go pinless. It holds the sprue until the part releases, reducing manual handling and simplifying the entire removal step. Bottom line, make more, spend less. APSX-PKR Part Picker. Learn more at APSX.com. Performance depends on part geometry, material, and mold design.